Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 13th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Saturday out there so far. Everybody has a great Saturday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Sunday and Monday. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar currently across the nation. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather to watch your morning advisory map. Also, we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for your Sunday, Monday, and day 4, which is Tuesday. We're going to take a look at that as well. So we got a lot of severe weather to discuss over the next few days to come. So I want to get you prepared for what to expect over the next few days to come. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and like I say, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit the bell notification button under the video as well, so that way when I issue a forecast, you will get notified as well. So tell everybody, the ones that have not turned on their notification button, get in contact with them. Tell them to make sure you hit the bell notification, so that way hopefully my forecast will get out to more people, and that way I can grow my channel as well. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks, and we're going to talk a little bit about the weather. From Maine down in the portion of New Hampshire, down to Massachusetts, down to eastern Connecticut, also in the portion of northern New York State. We have thunderstorms and showers from New York State, back in the portion of Ohio, Indiana, down to Kentucky, portion of Virginia, and much of West Virginia, over toward Delaware, D.C., and Maryland vicinity, and New Jersey. We got some shower activity up here through the portion of the Dakotas, also in Minnesota and portion of Montana. Same over here in Idaho, back in the Oregon State, and also in the portion of California, along coastal areas of California. Thunderstorms and showers in the southwestern portion of California and coastal vicinities. Alright, we got some mixed precipitation in portion of Idaho, down in Oregon, also in much of California, much of Nevada, much of Utah, and portions of Arizona. Otherwise, driving down to the Gulf of California, also into Mexico, Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, just stretch it up into portion of Virginia. Also in the portion. Okay, graphs are slowly coming up. And the yellow shading area right here is stretching from Texas all the way up to Nebraska and Iowa, including portions of Missouri, Kansas, and Oklahoma. This is where severe weather is possible with some strong to severe Idaho, Wyoming, down into Utah, and also got Colorado, New Mexico, and Arizona with some heavy pockets of snow over portions of Colorado. Rain shower along coastal areas. And also a few rain in Michigan, Pennsylvania, portion of Virginia, down into the southeast from the Carolinas to including the Bahamas, Cuba, Jamaica, Louisiana, also portions of Texas, much of Mexico. Same over toward the Gulf of California, Monday, April 15th. Alright, let's move on to the weather radar currently across the nation. As of this recording, I am showing you the current radar, what the radar looks like from the National Weather Service forecast offices. Around back in the portion of Minnesota, portion of Wisconsin, scattered activity over portion of Missouri, back in the portion of South Dakota, and also in the Wyoming. Now more activity over here in portion of Oregon, portion of Washington, Oregon, and warning advisory map for your. Okay, now we back at it. Here we go. It finally came into the portion of the Massachusetts, Boston area. Same over portion of Ohio, back in Indiana, Illinois, stretching all the way down into the portion of Arkansas, East Texas, much of Louisiana, Mississippi, and also in the portion of southern Georgia and the Panhandle area of Florida. River zone going there. Wind advisories up here in portions of the Connecticut region, back in New York State. Also, we have some special weather statements down here for fire weather concerns possible over Georgia, and one right around the Charlotte metro area. Also, we got more special weather statements up here in portions of Minnesota, like Wyoming. Also, New Mexico with some high New Mexico, and also into portions of areas in portion of Nebraska and Kansas and eastern Colorado. Wind advisory over the bottom portion of central and southern California with some areas of winter weather advisories in the purple for the portion of California and southern areas as small craft advisory from Maine to Northern Island. Got a flash flood watch there. Special weather statements northwestern Alaska and around coastal areas. We got some storm warning advisory. Oregon all the way over to Pendleton, Oregon. Also towards Muzzolina, Montana, the great area. Toward Springfield, down toward Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Charleston, West Virginia, Cincinnati, Ohio, over toward Indianapolis, Indiana. We have a slight risk enhanced risk for members. Ohio. Check out your cities and towns. Let's take a look at the all right. We got 2% up in the port for Albany, Springfield, Birmingham, over towards Scranton, New York City, toward Philadelphia, just east of Columbus, Ohio as well, and surrounding vicinities. 2% tornado chance. Let's take a look at the damaging winds. All right, we got 5% in from Columbus toward Albany and also Springfield. Also, we got some over here, and also we have 30% chance in the red. This includes Scranton over toward Binghamton, also just east of Cleveland, Ohio, just north of Pittsburgh area. You're in the 30% risk area for tornado. Damaging winds over 70 miles per hour. And let's take a look at the large hail. Yeah, State College, you're included as well. Wilkes-Barre, Williamsport areas. All right, now let's take a look at the large hail. This should be updating here in a minute. All right, percent Columbus, Ohio. Also over toward Pennsylvania, Scranton, also Binghamton. And the Pitt. All right, hopefully it'll come up here in a minute. Then we're going to take all right, you can see Bill, Missouri, all the way down toward Waco. That is toward Midlands, Lubbock, Amarillo, Omaha, Lincoln, Cook, Colby, Green, Garden City, Liberal, Wichita, Woodward, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, North Steele, Wichita Falls. You're in a slight risk area and also in the enhanced risk area as well. All right, the general thunderstorms are pretty much from Glasgow, Montana, down toward Durango. And that far east is over toward Virginia Beach, Virginia, Richmond, Raleigh, Charlotte. Generally in the severe thunderstorm, not severe thunderstorm, just in the general thunderstorm as a warm on Monday to bring some scattered showers, possibly from Columbia northward for your Monday. All right, let's take a look at the probability. We should have a 5%, a 15%, and a 30% risk area. And Texas, major real weather shortly, I hope. Alright, you can see here is the 15% outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. We got a one from Waco to Dallas to Shreveport to Little Rock to Memphis, Jackson, Springfield, Kansas, Jefferson City, toward Hannibal, Springfield, Panora, also toward Delmont, Iowa. All of you guys are in the 15% risk area, including, like I say, Chicago, Memphis, Kansas City, St. Louis, and Madison. With Birmingham, maybe Columbia, Atlanta, Columbus, and Atlanta, Georgia. Excuse me, maybe included in another. Everybody enjoyed the video. Everybody continue to stay safe and well. So enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday evening, folks. Take care.